You're 30, your periods are regular, you feel healthy. So your fertility should be normal, right? But then a test shows low ovarian reserve. This is one of the most confusing and stressful diagnoses for young women. Hi, I'm Dr. Suachla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Let's try to understand why this happens even before 30. This is called as low ovarian reserve or poor ovarian reserve. What is ovarian reserve is the most important question. Well, it refers to the number of eggs remaining in your ovaries. Women are born with all the eggs they will ever have, and this number naturally declines with age. We commonly assess ovarian reserve using tests like AMH, anti-Mullerian hormone, antral follicular count on ultrasound. Now here's the important point. Low ovarian reserve is expected with any age, but when it happens early, we need to look at it much deeper. There are some reasons that we have observed for low ovarian reserve even before 30. The causes include genetic factors because some women are born with lower number of eggs or experience faster depletion. Family history of early menopause is another clue. Autoimmune conditions are also one of the causes. The body may mistakenly affect ovarian function, reducing egg reserve. Any previous ovarian surgery also could be a cause of low ovarian reserve. Procedures for cysts, endometriosis can also be a cause. This condition can damage ovarian tissue and affect both quantity and quality of eggs. Because chemotherapy and radiation are also known to bring down the ovarian reserve. These treatments can significantly impact the number of eggs in your ovaries even if a patient is of young age. Lifestyle and environment factors such as smoking, toxins, chronic stress may also increase the rate at which eggs are lost from the ovaries over time. Some idiopathic causes where the reason is not clearly found can be frustrating, but it is medically common also. So low ovarian reserve is often a result of multiple interacting factors, not just age. But it means a lot clinically because low ovarian reserve does not mean that you cannot get pregnant. It means that you may have few eggs available. You may respond to stimulation in IVF very slowly or the response may not be very adequate. But this is very critical because equality in younger women may be still good. So time becomes an important factor. Management depends on individual goals. If planning pregnancy, do not delay considering early fertility evaluation and treatment. But if you are not planning immediately, egg freezing may be an option. Lifestyle optimization has to be done through nutrition, avoiding smoking, managing stress, also supporting overall reproductive health. The focus is on timely action, not panic. So low ovarian reserve before 30 is not common, but it is real. It does not mean infertility. It means time matters more. So you should take an action before it's too late. If you wish to understand more, please feel free to contact us.